The global logistics network operates in an environment defined by continuous, cascading volatility. Extreme weather events, macroeconomic instability, and unpredictable demand routinely paralyze transport hubs, creating massive physical bottlenecks across the entire system. Critical arteries of international trade are frequently compromised. Dropping water levels have severely restricted capacity in the Panama Canal, forcing global shipping vessels to abandon the route and undertake time-consuming, highly costly physical rerouting across the globe. In response to heavy geopolitical tension near the Strait of Hormuz, alternative physical infrastructure, like the massive 80 NOC West-East pipeline, has been deployed to bypass maritime choke points, secure energy flows, and avoid crippling maritime insurance premiums. Traditional supply chain management attempts to navigate these disruptions through natural language interfaces and static visualization dashboards. While these tools assist in mapping supplier networks, they function as reactive co-pilots, relying on a human operator to interpret the output and manually trigger changes in the system. This creates a cognitive bottleneck. When a disruption occurs, the alert travels to a dashboard, where human processing time and manual entry into enterprise software create a mounting delay, often measured in hours or days, before an action is actually taken. In a volatile market, this latency renders the reactive model operationally inadequate. To eliminate this window of vulnerability, organizations are shifting to agentic AI. These systems do not wait for human prompts. They operate continuously in the background to detect, simulate, and resolve disruptions without manual intervention. True systemic resilience requires abandoning linear, human-prompted dashboards to build a 4-layer, end-to-end cyber-physical architecture capable of autonomous, algorithmic self-correction. An autonomous decision engine is paralyzed if it operates on fragmented, siloed legacy enterprise data. When procurement databases and independent logistics networks cannot communicate, the algorithm cannot calculate an accurate optimal path. Resolving this enterprise inertia requires constructing the foundational first layer, the synergistic architecture of the data mesh and data fabric. The data mesh decentralizes data ownership. Domain experts like warehouse managers and procurement teams curate their localized, specialized information and publish it internally as highly reliable, standardized data products. The data fabric then acts as the intelligent connective tissue. It utilizes automated pipelines to instantly integrate these local data products across hybrid environments, continuously synchronizing internal databases with external weather feeds and supplier systems. Integrating external APIs and physical IoT sensors into this unified fabric exponentially expands the network's attack surface. Hackers and state-sponsored actors view these third-party vendor integrations as prime vectors to inject corrupted data and trigger a systemic operational collapse. This makes absolute system maturity non-negotiable. Organizations must enforce a strict zero-trust architecture. Every single node, microservice, and autonomous agent is treated as unverified until it undergoes continuous cryptographic authentication. Only upon this hardened foundation of pristine master data and zero-trust security can an AI safely dictate physical supply chain movements. In Layer 2, the intelligence and analytics layer converts this unified telemetry into predictive foresight. Machine learning models continuously scan the secure data fabric, analyzing live capacity constraints and shifting global market demands to detect upstream supplier anomalies long before they manifest as physical shortages. Because these AI-generated insights are inherently probabilistic, they must never be directly executed in the physical world without rigorous mathematical stress testing. This validation occurs in Layer 3, the supply chain digital twin. This is an active, real-time virtual replica of the physical network, where complex rerouting scenarios and inventory allocations are safely simulated and validated in a risk-free environment. Optimizing these distributed, heterogeneous networks requires moving past traditional deterministic math and utilizing multi-agent reinforcement learning, or MARL. Here, multiple autonomous agents interact simultaneously, balancing fiercely competing logistical objectives. The supply chain functions as a continuous Markov decision process. Agents observe a specific state space, evaluating real-time inventory levels against external risk variables, and generate a mathematical action space, calculating exactly when to raise a purchase order and in what precise quantity. Data scientists optimize these agents using rigorous reward shaping. The AI incurs steep mathematical penalties for late orders, failing to meet demand, or selecting overpriced suppliers, mathematically forcing the agents to prioritize long-term network stability. This comparison graph shows the vast differences in algorithmic behavior. The jagged, highly volatile line represents a standard multi-agent deep queue network, which exhibits aggressive pricing behavior. In contrast, the smooth, stable upward curve generated by the advanced MAD-DDPG algorithm provides highly competitive but exceptionally stable fair market pricing. By converging multi-agent reinforcement learning inside a digital twin, organizational resilience evolves. It ceases to be an improvisational effort executed under extreme pressure and becomes a proactively rehearsed certainty. Once the digital twin validates an optimal path, Layer 4 translates those simulated insights into real-world action. This begins deep within the digital and financial operations of the enterprise. Organizations deploy specialized agentic procurement platforms to run continuous, concurrent negotiation campaigns. Operating 24 hours a day, these agents target thousands of lower-tier tactical suppliers to capture immense amounts of working capital that human teams lack the bandwidth to manually process. Requisition alignment agents operate at the vanguard of the procurement cycle. They autonomously validate corporate policy compliance and apply consistent mathematical logic to ensure commercial relevance before a purchase order is ever generated. Discount and payment terms agents specialize in optimizing corporate liquidity. They dynamically negotiate early pay discount options as trade-offs for extended payment terms, creating mathematical win-win scenarios for both the enterprise and the supplier. In a massive deployment, global retail giant Walmart utilized these AI negotiation agents to autonomously engage thousands of suppliers. The system successfully negotiated an average 35-day extension in payment terms, securing a 72% agreement rate among the targeted vendor base. Over 65% of vendors reported that they actively preferred negotiating with an AI bot over a human employee, citing the structure, speed, and objective consistency of the automated tender process. This autonomous financial healing liberates human procurement teams from repetitive, low-value contract reviews, transforming a tactical operational bottleneck into a high-speed, automated value generator. Digital self-healing systems reach a hard limit at the boundary of physical infrastructure. An algorithm can instantaneously calculate an optimal bypass route, but the digital optimization is rendered moot if no physical vehicles are available to traverse that newly calculated path. To bypass ground-level infrastructure decay, supply chains are integrating physical autonomy. Unmanned aerial drones and autonomous delivery vehicles act as literal three-dimensional bypass vectors, circumventing winding road networks, traffic gridlock, and severe human driver shortages. In emerging markets like Rwanda, drone operators like Zipline have established sustainable aerial networks that serve as critical medical infrastructure. When dirt roads are rendered impassable by severe weather, drones provide rapid, on-demand routing for life-critical goods, completely ignoring the structural washouts below. Because drones are most effective as emergency infrastructure when they function as routine infrastructure, they scale seamlessly during crises. Utilizing its established autonomous network, Zipline distributed 13% of all COVID-19 vaccines administered in Ghana within a staggering 3-day period. On the ground, autonomous delivery vehicles are mitigating the crippling global shortage of human commercial drivers. Operating in highly congested metropolitan zones, these self-driving middle-mile units optimize long-haul transportation and ensure supply chain continuity through efficient, contactless delivery. This horizontal bar chart reveals the massive sustainability byproduct of autonomous routing. Utilizing precise energy consumption metrics, the data shows that executing logistics via electrified drone networks yields a 99% reduction in carbon emissions compared to gas-powered delivery vans, instantly satisfying stringent corporate ESG mandates. Shifting logistics to the air actively heals the physical infrastructure upon which ground logistics rely. A single U.S. metropolitan drone network eliminates nearly 300 million miles of roadware annually, preserving both human life and crumbling public infrastructure. Physically bypassing compromised roads and delayed ports via unmanned assets is the final physical execution mechanism required to close the algorithmic loop of an autonomous global logistics network. Achieving computational autonomy introduces an inherent organizational paradox. The systematic removal of human labor from tactical daily execution mandates a massive corresponding increase in human strategic governance. An effective self-healing supply chain is not a runaway intelligence operating without oversight. Its actions are strictly confined to the mathematical parameters, business rules, and strict policy guardrails explicitly defined by human operators. This infrastructure deliberately transitions the human workforce from exhausted operational firefighters into strategic network architects. Routine workflow adjustments execute seamlessly in the background, presenting managers with exceptionally short, highly curated exception queues. Liberated from issuing repetitive purchase orders, human planners refocus their cognitive bandwidth on high-stakes ecosystem building, strategic network design, and complex dispute resolution, domains where emotional intelligence, empathy, and nuanced judgment remain strictly irreplaceable. Organizations must aggressively align their operating models with this four-layer architecture. Those that rely on manual exception management will watch their operations buckle, while their digitally autonomous competitors seamlessly heal and reroute. The self-healing supply chain is the immediate perimeter where corporate resilience and global market leadership are actively being won and lost.